Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the wastewater engineering. Unit number 1 the characterizations and treatment of wastewater માં જોઈએ છે આપણે different types of treatment for a wastewater engineering. Now the fourth point is a tertiary or advanced treatment system. આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં પ્રિલિમિનરી પ્રાઇમરી અને સેકન્ડરી ટ્રીટમેન્ટ સિસ્ટમ જોઈ ગયા છે. તો ડિટેલ સિસ્ટમમાં આપણે જોઈશું ટર્સરી ઓર એડવાન્સ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ સિસ્ટમ. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ લાસ્ટ વન. ઓકે, નાઉ સ્ટાર્ટ ધીસ સિસ્ટમ. આ ટોપિકમાં આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તો જોયું આપણે ક્લાસિફિકેશન, ટાઈપ્સ, કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ, સમ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ. ઓકે, equalization, neutralizations, sampling protocol, industrial wastewater sampling protocols, this basis, volume and strength reductions part, preliminary, primary, secondary and tertiary wastewater treatment processes. Okay, and theory design, screens, grid chambers, sedimentation, coagulation, આપણે ડિટેલમાં બધું જોવાના છે. Now, this is a part for a wastewater engineering, tertiary or advanced treatment system ના basis પર જોઈશું. If the influent from the secondary treatment system is a further treated to reduce or remove the concentration of radial impurities, then it is called a tertiary or advanced treatment of wastewater. The system is normally provided when it is found that આના બેઝિસ પર જોઈશું જે 12, 28, 30 અને 38 નંબરના પોઈન્ટ્સ છે. ઓકે, વોટ ઇઝ અ ટર્સરી? સિમ્પલી પ્રાઇમરી અને જે આપણે સેકન્ડરીના બેઝિસના ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ જોઈ ગયા હતા આના બેઝિસ પર, જેમાં પ્રાઇમરી સ્લજ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ અને સેકન્ડરી સ્લજ ટ્રીટમેન્ટ જે ઇન્ફ્લુઅન્ટ ફોર પ્રિલિમિનરી ટ્રીટમેન્ટ છે જે આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં ઓલરેડી ડિસ્કસ કરી ગયા છે. Okay, now the simple discussion part for a tertiary or advanced treatment system. If the influent from the secondary treatment system is further treated to reduce or remove the concentration of residual impurities, is called tertiary or advanced treatment first wastewater, and the tertiary is normally provided when it is found that the quality of conventionally treated wastewater, the treated influent is unsuitable to must meet the limit of final disposal into the body of water or onto the land. Okay, simple, the concentrations of residual organic material, a suspended solid, require further reduction or complete removal for specific reuse or recycling of wastewater. After the secondary treatment, the concentration of residual nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus na basis પર છે is a very higher for financial disposal or reuse and recycling of wastewater na basis પર છે. Okay, first of all three point write down in the notebook, this one and this one. Okay, for a revision કરાવું છું. First of all note down this all point for a tertiary or advanced treatment system. Okay, the first point, the quality of conventionally treated wastewater, and a secondary influent is unsuitable to meet the limit of final disposal into the body of water or onto the land to the concentration of residual organic material or suspended solid require the further reduction part or complete removal for specific uses. Okay, so reuse to recycling of wastewater after the secondary treatment ના basis પર છે. અને થર્ડ પોઈન્ટ છે જે the concentration residual nutrients such as nitrogen અને phosphorus ના basis પર છે is very high for a final disposal or reuse and recycling of wastewater ના basis પર છે. Okay, now the different technique available for the tertiary treatment are given in table 1. Note down this all point most important and one by one discussion part in this point. ચાલુ છે ચાલુ છે હું જોયું બોલ. Now simple part for the different technique for tertiary diagram tertiary treatment system માટે જે ટેકનિક્સ છે જે ફર્સ્ટ ગ્રેન્યુલર મીડિયા ફિલ્ટરેશન પાર્ટ એમાં ફોર કમ્પ્લીટ રિમૂવલ ઓફ ફોર ફર્ધર રિડક્શન ઓફ છે રેસિડ્યુઅલ સસ્પેન્ડેડ સોલિડ પાર્ટ. ઓકે ફર્સ્ટ વન this one ટેકનિક કઈ છે ગ્રેન્યુલર મીડિયા ફિલ્ટરેશન પાર્ટ. ઓકે this is a new syllabus 6 semester subject માટે એટલે only theoretical part for a waste water engineering some system અને some treatment ના basis પર તમારે જોવાનું છે some characteristics some problems. Okay, in the second one biological nitrifications અને denitrifications ના basis પર છે ion exchange અને air stripping section part. In the second one this one complete removal of further reduction part છે removal of nitrogen phosphorus chlorine અને dissolved gases આટલી વસ્તુ રિમૂવ કરે છે. થર્ડ વન biological treatment and a chemical process. The third one this is residual nitrogen and phosphorus ion exchange, reverse osmosis, electrodialysis, chemical precipitations and adsorptions. Now the last one is the residual dissolved inorganic solids, refractory organics, toxic and complete organic compound. Okay, this is the take advantages analysis for treatment system are expensive and therefore normally encyclopedia a treatment of residual wastewater. Okay, so all revise this point tertiary or advanced treatment system. if the influent from the secondary treatment system is further treated to reduced or remove the concentration of residual impurities, then it is called as a tertiary or advanced treatment of wastewater. The system is normally provided when it is found that the quality of conventionally treated wastewater secondary influent is unsuitable to meet the limit of final disposal into the body of water or onto the land, and the concentration of residual organic materials or suspended solid require the further reduction part or complete removal for specific reuses or recycling of wastewater after the secondary treatment system. Okay, the concentration of residual nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus is a very high for a final disposal or using the recycling of wastewater. Okay, આ ત્રણ point most important છે. Read and follow this point and the treatment system. This treatment system. Now the different technique for tertiary treatment જોઈએ છે એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે point જોવાના છે. Granular media filtration, ultrafiltration and microstrainer. This is a tertiary system. એમાં complete removal or further reduction of છે residual suspended solid, જે removal of nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine અને dissolved gases ના બેઝિસ પર છે. Now the biological nitrifications and denitrifications for ion exchange and air stripping, the removal of nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine, dissolved gases etc. Now all points છે biological and chemical processes, residual nitrogen and phosphorus, ion exchange, removal osmosis છે, electrodialysis છે, chemical precipitations છે, adsorptions છે, removal dissolves inorganic solid, refractory organic, toxic and complex organic compound છે. Now so simply all point, this point is completely over treatment system. Secondary system આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા previous lecture માં, એની flow diagram છે, જોઈ લો એકવાર. first one and the second one figure and all points છે waste stabilization ponds, also known as the oxidation ponds, and oxidation detached extended aeration system, rotated biological contactor, upflow anaerobic filter, upflow anaerobic sludge blanket is okay. This is the final point for revision part. Okay, tertiary diagram. Thank you so much.